Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting from iCloud so you get a complete standard vCard file. Enable iCloud contacts on the iPhone. This ensures every contact syncs to iCloud. Once done, open iCloud. On a computer and sign in with your Apple ID. Go into Contacts, select All, then use the settings gear to export vCard. You now have a single VCF file containing all entries. This file is what Android will import, and it preserves names, phones, and emails. Next, move that VCF to your Android so the Contacts app can read it. You can copy the file via USB or upload it to Google Drive and access it from the phone. Either method works. Once the file is accessible on the device, open Google Contacts or your phone's Contacts app, tap Settings or Manage Contacts, and choose Import. Select the VCF file and pick the Google account to save into. This ensures contacts sync to Google and stay backed up automatically. Finish by verifying and cleaning up so everything works going forward. Open Google Contacts and your phone's Contacts app to confirm names, numbers, and emails imported correctly. Make sure the Google account is selected as default for new contacts. If you see duplicates, use Merge and Fix in Google Contacts to combine entries. If some data didn't import, edit a contact to force a sync, and make sure Contact Sync is enabled in your Android account settings. Troubleshooting tip: if import fails, re-export afresh. VCF from iCloud and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.